Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing an EURGBP trading strategy. All right, now you should know that EURGBP is often influenced by political events and Brexit sentiment, right? So this strategy focuses on trend reversals and swing entries. We are going to be focusing on the 4-hour time frame, okay? And we are going to be making use of Fibonacci retracements from recent high to, from recent swing highs and lows, right? To identify key levels. And then we're going to be combining the Fibonacci retracement with relative strength index, all right? Period 14, okay? And for our trade setups, we're going to be looking at swing reversal. If the price reaches perhaps the 38.2% or 50% or even 61.8% Fibonacci retracement with the RSI below. Okay, since this is a bearish trend, that means with the RSI above 70, we're going to be looking out for a sell signal, right? Because we drew this from a swing high to a swing low, so we're looking out for a retracement to one of these key levels. So if we have a retracement to either of these three, and then we have the RSI in 70 level crossing down, we're going to be looking out for a sell signal. Now, with respect to continuation, after breaking a swing high or a swing low, if you have the RSI confirming the momentum, whether it is in the bullish side or in the bearish side, right? If you have a confirmation, maybe a bullish confirmation or a bearish confirmation, then you enter in the direction of the trend. So in this example again, if we have a break of a swing low, okay, let's say now that after price has gone to this level and then it breaks this swing low, right? We're going to be looking out for a confirmation from the RSI, perhaps the RSI maintaining below 50 but above 30, right? We can look for a sell signal, okay? Meanwhile, avoid trading around the UK or EU major political announcements due to sudden spikes. All right, you want to avoid the periods of high volatility. You want to avoid trading during those period of high volatility. All right, economic events, if there are any economic events or political announcements, you want to avoid trading during those periods, okay, due to sudden spikes. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.